Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to find recently viewed videos in Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. Let's get started. When you go into the Instagram app and view your reels, automatically Instagram doesn't save them. But what if you want to view those videos in the future? There are a couple ways that you can view them later. The first is if you're flipping through your Reels feed and you want to go back to the video clip that you just viewed. You can just swipe down and that video will appear. You can also save it. You can do that by clicking on the three buttons here and click Save. Now we go to our page. Click on the three bars at the top in the right corner and save. And we can see that we've saved the video. Another method is to say, leave a like on a video that you like, or leave a comment. In order to see the video you liked or commented on, you have to go to your page. Click on the three bars in the upper right corner. And on the third section, click on Likes. And we see the Reels video that we liked, that we have saved here, or the one we commented on. We click on Comments. And we also see the Reels that we commented on. There he is. That's how easy it is to find recently viewed videos on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. See you all again.